Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are unboxing the Bosch handheld vacuum cleaner. Okay, let's unbox this. Oh, don't throw the knife, I don't want you to get me killed, okay? I'll come and get it. Okay guys, I got my trusty knife and I'm still alive. Let's start from the top. Let's have a look. So we have the charger. To charge this vacuum, it takes around 4 to 5 hours. So this is an European plug. Okay, let's check out the actual vacuum. That looks pretty decent, and it's not big. Okay, and what else is in the box? There's an instruction manual, I believe, just to show you how to use this. It's pretty straightforward, and there's only one attachment. I assume that's probably the disadvantage for this Hoover, that only comes with one attachment, which looks like pretty much like this. Okay, so that's the Hoover. So the vacuum comes with one attachment. The way you remove this, you literally just pull it out and you put it back in. I use this pretty much all the time. I don't like using the vacuum without the attachment. Let me show you how to remove the dirt container. Is that you literally press, let me just come a bit closer. So you press on this button and then you just pull it out. And then the way you empty the container, the dirt container, you have to pull the filter out and just chuck the dirt away. Oh, by the way, the filter is washable, which is one of the good things. So this is like a spongy filter they can wash and then let it dry out. It has two options, so option 1 and 2, and that's here the first option, just the sound. The first option is not really that strong, so I tend not to use it. I only use the second option, and let me show you the second option now. When the vacuum is on, you'll notice a very small light here. And this light will also indicate when you are charging the vacuum. Let me show you. The charger goes here. And as you can see now, this light is flashing. So you'll have to keep it into charge for about 4 or 5 hours to have it fully charged. I believe this will not flash anymore after 5 hours. Okay, while the Hoover is plugged in, you can't start it. It doesn't start. So you'll have to unplug it to vacuum with it. That's pretty much it. The build quality is plastic, nothing special, very light, very easy to grab and clean. Especially in the kitchen, if you drop something, it's really easy to clean it up, such as like flour or anything like that. Alright guys, so let's see how this performs. I've just laid on the kitchen table some rice, some oats, some sugar, and also some pasta. This might be quite large for the Hoover, but we'll see how that goes. Let's start with the rice first. So we'll go with the second step, as I'll probably be using this on high mode anyway all the time. So I've got it's quite good, it's not bad. Okay, I think that's done pretty damn good on the rice bit. Let's try with the oats. Again, really nice and easy for the hoover to, for the vacuum to hoover all the oats and rice. And now let's try with the sugar, but without the attachment. Okay, so I've taken the attachment off. I don't know why, but I prefer it much more with the attachment rather than without it. So I'll pop the attachment back on and we'll see if it hoovers the pasta with the attachment, and then we'll try without if it doesn't work. Okay, let's try the pasta. Oh wow. That's not bad. Really good. Okay, so I'm quite impressed so far. The hoover performs really well. You can use this in any space as it's wireless. You can use it in tight spaces like corners or above the kitchen furniture where your normal hoover doesn't reach. Or you can even use this for your car if you want to hoover your car quick. As it's 45 minutes, it will hold charge 45 minutes. It's pretty good for anything. Okay, let's try any other spaces that I can find in my home and I will see how that goes. Okay, so you can also use this for drawers. I believe that's a really good device to use to hoover dirt from your drawers, such as this. See these small bits in the drawer, or like the spillage of seeds. You can use it also for spaces like this. Okay, another thing I really like about this is that the hoover doesn't actually, even though it's almost full of bits and pieces in there, it doesn't come out if you turn it upside down. There's no debris coming out at all, so it's pretty well contained, I would say. Okay, so let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of owning this vacuum. So the advantages would be that it's very light, very easy to take away, grab and clean anything in the kitchen, in the car, pretty much anywhere. Another advantage would be that it has 45 minutes battery, which is pretty decent for handheld wireless hoover. Also, the filters are washable, so you don't have to buy different filters and spend money on this. Battery is rechargeable, and it's very easy to remove the container and just empty it and clean it. Okay, so some of the disadvantages is that it only has one attachment. The battery takes about 4 or 5 hours to charge, which can be quite a bit long. The actual vacuum on the second step is quite loud, which could bother some people. It doesn't really bother me. And it doesn't have a dust HEPA filter, but this has a washable filter. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you do want to purchase this, it costs about £65, and I think it's definitely worth it if you are looking for a hybrid vacuum that can be used in the kitchen, in the car, and it's really easy to take away with you even on holidays if you want to clean, I don't know, Airbnbs. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.